Transforming virtual communication Sockton is the best video conferencing software that provides a seamless virtual engagement experience with multiple advantages. A detailed dashboard lets users track their usage attendance and utilize the in-meeting chat options to improve engagement in every connection. OConnect is an easy-to-understand and comprehensive software, making it the perfect tool for a professional setup. It has a high-quality audio and video output, making every meeting crystal clear without any obstruction. Its notes and prompter feature will always keep you one step ahead of the competition. OConnect will give the best experience to all its users every time. The speech-to-text is an essential feature that accurately converts the speech-to-text using an application programming interface (API). Auto-language translation is a feature that makes it easy for regional language speakers to understand a foreign language. OConnect online meeting platform facilitates real-time collaboration, allowing users to opt for its various collaborative features, making the experience more effective. OConnect aims to provide an easy and better way of staying connected in the virtual world. Know more about OConnect. Worldwide connectivity is today's necessity. OConnect is an online video conferencing tool with HD audio quality that provides unmatched clarity and quality to every virtual connection. OConnect has a highly detailed dashboard allowing users to manage and track their activity easily. The tool simplifies every virtual collaboration with a variety of themes and templates for different occasions. It has several outstanding features, including a prompter, audio noise cancellation, a whiteboard, a calculator, and much more. OConnect offers a range of exceptional features that can help users bridge the gap between their geographical locations anytime, providing seamless connection with unmatched ease. OConnect brings to the fore advantages via enablement that enhances the output of every virtual meeting in a world that gets smaller, with distance becoming immaterial as a limitation.